number of artists came out to support the opening of the legendary sports bar in Brownstown, St. Anne. Thanks to Hames Production, we have the interviews and the highlights.
Up in a space, me a hell and I celebrate. So what is in me not take your breath. Fury, 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 fury. Sing and rock your body, sing and rock your body left to right. Anywhere we go, the one place I ignite. We flare. Girl inna me better give me. With a dozen Magnum. I mean, now we are not here. The girl might not really change, but we are not fear. Try to hide my glory, go like me, name not great. Them say me nah gonna make it. Play the beat. New general, they up, play the gate. The big man that pull up and them play the gate. Top on us, me get them more straight. True.
It was a great performance, you know what I mean? And the crew reaction was great. Legendary sports bar, best bar in Brownstown. Woof.
It's an amazing party, well put together, everything good.
And of course, we saw your performance. You were doing your thing out there. How would you rate your performance, though?
I would say a 9 out of 10, you know. So as we go along, we are improve and, you know, we do a thing.
So I'm watch your performance and you go and repair things. Brownstown and hype up about you. But how you rate your performance for tonight?
Well, we rate the performance as a good one, you know what I mean? And we still have space to improve, so you know we're going to be better in a few months, same way you do. Yeah.
And what can we expect from you for the rest of the year and into next year?
Alright, I can just tell the people them to go and look out for Cableton, you know what I mean? Our world, man, one time.
Brownstown, greatness in Lord. Shot. Every time, shot, shot, shot.
And what can we expect from you for the upcoming year?
Well, you know a lot of new music. We have one title, Blueprint. I don't good right now. I don't know we have one name trending where the people them love. So you can just look out for be a great music from Dave Jai. Them two that we are around with right now.
The Caribbean video, Capleton and the Magnum Top 10 are coming up right after this break.
The sun it hot like fire, but I still have to go try and get you when me have to do today. My friend them pan the corner, me I link them out, we gonna ride up soon. Go look around me, say I ride cool, me say I play cool, me say I stay cool, me say I drink cool, me say my friend them Billy split them with I cool, them drink it in them with I cool for life, I cool for life.
What to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice.
Uh-oh.
Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. Hilo, making life easier.